We are here again, and this time we're going to do a science focus on density and polarity. So we are going to find ourselves a glass, and I've used a drinking glass, you can use a bottle, and some water, some food colouring, some vegetable oil, and then I have used citric acid mixed with bicarbonate soda. You can also use Alka-Seltzer powder or Eno powder as long as it is an effervescent powder so that it has the correct reaction. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to fill our container a quarter way up with water. Then we're going to add in some drops of food colouring. And then we're going to fill up the rest of the glass container with vegetable oil. So that goes right the way up to the red line, just about 2 or 3 centimeters from the top is correct. Then last of all, we're going to take our mix and we're going to drop it in. So you can see the water is staying at the bottom and the oil stays at the top because oil is lighter than water, and the little droplets are sinking all the way down to join the water at the bottom because they are also water based. Let's see what happens when we put in our effervescent mix. Okay, it's dropped down to the bottom and it sets off a reaction. Can you see what's happening there? It's starting to look more like a lava lamp. Little droplets of water combined with the food colouring, and because there's a gas being let off, it floats right up to the top and it carries the food colouring with it. When the particles at the top become completely saturated, and because they're water and heavier than oil, they'll drop all the way back down again and the process will start once more. So there we are, our own homemade lava lamp. Enjoy making your own and see if you can have some fun and experiment with different variations.